Number 1. 1988 Dodge DW150 four-wheel drive pickup, $8,800, Gresham, Oregon. This 1988 Dodge DW150 is a respected late 80s four-wheel drive pickup powered by the well-known Mopar 300 cubic inch V8, recognized for durability and strong low-end torque. Paired with an automatic transmission and factory four-wheel drive, it was built for towing and utility use. The classic square body styling is highly favored among truck enthusiasts. While odometer inconsistencies and a salvage title are noted, its overall condition suggests careful ownership, making it a dependable classic utility truck with proven mechanical reliability. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet four-wheel drive pickup, $6,500, Sacramento, California. This 1978 Chevrolet short bed pickup is a genuine square body restoration project equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Having been parked for more than 30 years, it is extremely rough but largely complete. Its factory four-wheel drive configuration adds collector appeal, making it a valuable starting point for builders seeking an authentic, late 70s Chevrolet platform. Number 3. 1977 Ford F350, $7,000, Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. This 1977 Ford F350 is a heavy-duty work truck powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Designed for industrial use, it features rear-wheel drive and includes a functional Lincoln SAE 600 welder powered by its own Hercules gasoline engine. The truck runs and drives, has received recent brake service, and reflects the rugged durability of Ford's late 70s commercial lineup. Number 4. 1989 Toyota four-wheel drive pickup, $9,500, Warrenton, Oregon. This 1989 Toyota four-wheel drive pickup is a highly desirable compact classic known for legendary reliability. It features a 5-speed manual transmission and a newly installed 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine backed by a warranty, along with a new clutch and radiator. Despite high chassis mileage, the body remains in good condition, making this a dependable and well-sorted classic pickup with long-term usability. Number 5. 1964 Dodge Power Wagon, $2,000, Anderson, California. This 1964 Dodge Power Wagon is a rare and historically significant four-wheel drive utility vehicle, originally built for military and industrial service. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission, it requires extensive restoration, including rust repair and electrical work. Although not currently running, its clean title and iconic Power Wagon heritage make it an excellent project for serious collectors. Number 6. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado, $4,000 Waco, Texas. This one-owner 1989 Chevrolet Silverado is a solid late 80s work truck equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission. Featuring rear-wheel drive, new brakes, new tires, and towing-related upgrades, it remains a practical and functional classic. The slide-out bed and camper shell add versatility, while the high mileage reflects regular use rather than neglect. Number 7. 1978 Chevrolet Sierra Long Bed Camper Classic, $9,000 Grants Pass, Oregon. This one-owner 1978 Chevrolet Sierra Camper Classic is powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 and features four-wheel drive with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives but requires mechanical attention, including brake servicing and carburetor adjustments. Outfitted with custom bumpers and a winch, it offers strong originality and collector appeal, making it well-suited for restoration or light modification. Number 8. 1957 Ford Ranchero, $10,000, Huntington Beach, California. This 1957 Ford Ranchero combines classic car styling with pickup utility, making it one of the most iconic vehicles of the 1950s. Powered by a fuel-injected 302 cubic inch V8 and an automatic transmission, it features upgraded brakes and tasteful mechanical modifications. The custom two-tone paint and solid drivability make it a usable classic, though the interior remains unfinished. Number 9. 1994 Ford F-150 XLT four-wheel drive, $750, Salem, Oregon. This 1994 Ford F-150 XLT offers an inexpensive entry into classic truck ownership. Equipped with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive, it has solid mechanical potential but currently requires repairs. With a clean title and additional parts included, this truck is best suited for a mechanically inclined buyer seeking a budget-friendly project. Number 10. 1973 Ford F-100 Short Bed, $29,995, Everett, Washington. This 1973 Ford F-100 Short Bed has been fully restored and tastefully upgraded with an emphasis on comfort and presentation. Powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 with aluminum heads and an automatic transmission, it also features factory dealer installed air conditioning. Fresh metallic red paint, a modern audio system, and a refined interior position this truck as a premium classic suitable for shows or regular enjoyment. Number 11. 1968 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, $12,500, Santan Valley, Arizona. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed is a highly desirable classic, powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. As a dry climate Arizona truck, it shows no rust perforation and carries a clean title. Running and driving well, it offers strong originality and timeless styling with excellent long-term collector potential. Number 12. 1989 Chevrolet 1500 Silverado 4-wheel drive, $11,000, Hamilton, Montana. This 1989 Chevrolet 1500 Silverado is an exceptionally clean, late 80s 4-wheel drive pickup. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, it features an 8-foot bed, minimal body wear, and no rust. With documented history and excellent overall condition, it stands out as a well-preserved classic suitable for both work and recreation.